Now, question comes, what to do? What are the solutions for this all? You might have knowing the concept of sustainable development since the lower classes, aren't you? Why is it and what is it? It is the development which does not damage the environment, and at the same time it takes care of our future needs. For this, children, the first International Earth Summit took place at Rio de Janeiro in June 1992, where more than 100 countries' leaders met to discuss about the urgent problems of environmental protection and socio-economical development at the global level. Understood? They adopted Agenda 21. It focuses on attaining global sustainable development. Its main objective are to control the negative factors of environmental loss through global cooperation on equitable interests. However, its main aim was that every local government should draw their own local Agenda 21. Dear children, here you see the table. Study carefully. You will find the differences. That India is rich in various resources, but not equally distributed to all the parts. They are not found in every part equally. Some regions are rich in certain resources, some are deficient, and some are self-sufficient, isn't it? For example, you can see northeast part of Peninsular Plateau, which is rich in minerals but lacking required technology and skill for its complete development. Similarly, Gujarat and Rajasthan are rich in solar and wind energy but lack in required technology for complete use of these resources, and also scarce in water resources. Am I clear? Thus, the need for now we need a balanced program for resource planning at every level of government, that is village level, district level, state level, as well as in national level, which is necessary for making a plan. So here now we can think what is resource planning, how to make it a plan. It is nothing but only the technique of a balanced utilization of available resources. Remember, available resources. Then, how can it be planned? In our country, it is specially planned in 3 different levels. They are identification and preparation of inventory of resources across the region. Secondly, evolving a planning structure with appropriate technology and skill. And thirdly, matching the resource developmental plans with national developmental plans.